What's good, y'all? It's Cam.Deion, and this is the first official episode of CamGlam, baby. Let's get right into it. So before we start, I'm going to cleanse my face with the Pure Cleansing Water by Manio. Girl, no shade. Y'all better get you some of this. Honey, when I say it cleanses your skin, it does exactly that. Now listen, I'm no expert at makeup or anything like that, but honey, I feel like a lot of y'all be putting on makeup and not actually protecting your skin, okay? You gotta treat your skin before and after the makeup, girl. Don't take no shade. After I finish getting my skin together, clearing out those pores, honey, now I'm gonna top it off with a skin barrier. Irrito skin barrier, baby. I'm telling you, girl, it's the #1 key to have glass skin, girl, okay? Y'all girls be having too many products, honey. And you don't need all those products, babe. I promise you, you don't. Real dermatologists will tell you you're doing too much, okay? Because less is always more, okay? All right, the skin is looking nice and tight and glowy, honey. It's time to put this glam on. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry a little bit, and then we're about to pick out the color. How are you feeling today? So these are the palettes that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be mixing some colors, so y'all just follow along. Always remember to trust the process. I have to tell myself that over and over and over while I'm doing it. Because sometimes while I'm in the process of doing the makeup, I be like, bro, this is not gonna work, and I'm just gonna start all over. And sometimes I do start all over, but a lot of times I keep it going and I fix it along the way if I feel like something needs to be fixed, and it turns out good. So, trust the process. Okay, this one turned out perfect, but I'm gonna fix this one. I need to fix it. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so we got that. We got the little wing, you know what I'm saying? This one didn't turn out as great, but you know, it's okay. I think we're gonna do a little eyeliner. No shade, I'm actually kind of feeling it. Oh, I'm actually kind of feeling this. Wow. Okay. Get into the tea, honey. Get into the tea. Add a little blush, bruh. Okay, so this is the finished look. Y'all like it? Y'all feeling it? You know, this is something new. I'm just trying shit. I'm just letting my creativity flow. And, you know, yeah. Wings are kind of getting better. I ended up fixing this one more. This one is more wings than this one. But, you know, hey, I'm not a pro. I'm learning, though. Okay? I look good, though.
The fact that you would even discuss my looks is insane. I'm a bad bitch. Always been a bad bitch.